today we are going to discuss some more questions which based on the multiplication of integer of the exercise 1.1. Okay, I hope that you have no any doubt or any confusion in the topic that we have earlier discussed in the last video. If you have any question, then you can ask me by just mentioning a comment in the comment section. So student, let's start our today's topic. Our today's question is find out the product of the following problem. Find out the products of the following. In the last video, we have solved the question in which only two integers are given in order to find the product. Here, we shall take some other type of question, or you can say that the question have the label as moderate. So the first question is 8 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 7. This is the given question, and now let us see its solution. So here we can see that in this question three integers are taken in the form of multiplication. So here we can use the property of associativity. Okay, so this may also be written as 8 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 7. Okay, now here we get 8 multiplied by, first of all we shall solve the number which are in the bracket. So here we get 7 to the 14, and when minus and minus multiply it become positive. So we just write only 14, and now next, this will be equal to 8 multiplied by 14. Okay. Now multiply 14 by 8. So here we get 8 4 is 32, carry 3, 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So our result is 112. So 112 is the right answer. Okay. First, let's see this again. The given question is 8 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 7. Here, three integers are taken together. So, we know that in order to prove the associative property, we need at least three integers. So, here, three integers are given. So, we can use the property of associativity. In associative property, we write the integer in the form a multiplied by b multiplied by c. So we use this property here. We can write these three integers in this form. And now using the property of mode mass, first of all we shall solve a number which are given inside the bracket. So first we shall multiply these two integers. Since the both integers are negative, so whenever they multiply to each other, they become positive, and here 8 will remain as it is. Now in the next step, we shall multiply 8 by 14. We get 112, which will be the required result. Okay, so I hope this question is clear. Now let us see the next question. The second question is minus 1 multiplied by minus 30 and multiplied by 6. Here again we have three integers which multiply together. So we again use the property of associativity. Since we know that A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Okay? Since in the question the first two integers having the same sign, so we shall write this like this: minus 1 multiplied by minus 30 and multiplied by 6. Okay, that is we shall use the right hand side of this property. Again, using the concept of mode marks, we shall solve the number which is inside the bracket. So first of all, we shall solve these two numbers. So here we get 1 multiplied by 30, we get 30. And minus multiplied by minus become positive, that is plus. So here we get 30 only, and this is multiplied by 6. Again here we get 30 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 180. Therefore, 180 is the right answer. Therefore, 180 is the right answer. Okay. Now let us see the next question. The next question is very simple. Minus 9 multiplied by minus 9 and multiplied by minus 9. Okay. So we can use the property of associativity. Here we get minus 9 multiplied by minus 9 multiplied by minus 9. And here we get minus 9 multiplied by 81. Since the both integers are negative, therefore when they multiply, they become positive. Okay? And again here we get minus the one of them is negative integer and the other is positive integer. So whenever they multiply with each other, again become negative. Since as I told you in the first class, when minus multiplied by plus, it always gives us minus. So here we get minus 729. Therefore, minus 729 is the right answer. Minus 729 is the right answer. So I hope that the question like this are clear to everyone, and you can solve the other remaining question of this section easily. Okay. So now let us see some more standard question of this exercise. After this, we shall discuss the division of integers. So now let us see the next. The given question is 673. 673 multiplied by 272 minus 673 multiplied by 72. Okay. If we see this question, we shall find that this question is based on distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, and the distributive property over of multiplication over subtraction is written as a multiplied by b minus c is equal to a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. Since the right hand side is given in the question, so we can write this question in the form of a multiplied by b minus c. So in order to make this make this multiplication easy, we shall write this expression in the form of a multiplied by b minus c. So here as given A is equal to 673, B is equal to 272 and C is equal to 72. Okay, when we compare this expression by A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C, we can see that in place of A 673 is given, in place of B 272 is given, again in the place of A 673 is given, and at the place of C 72 is given. So when we compare the given question by this expression, we get A is equal to 673, B is equal to 272 and C is equal to 72 only. Now since, as I told you that A multiplied by B minus C is equal to A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. Since the right hand side is given here, so we can write this expression in the form of A multiplied by B minus C. So here we have to write 673 in place of A. So here we write 673 multiplied by, we shall write 272 at the place of B. So we write 272 minus, we shall write 72 at the place of C. So here we write 72. Okay. Therefore, this expression has been written in the form of A multiplied by B minus C. This is because we want to make this multiplication easy way. Therefore, we write this expression in the form of this. Now, let us see further. Here, using the concept of board mass, first of all, we shall solve the number which are inside the bracket. So here we write 673 multiplied by, here 72 will subtracted from 272, we get 200 only, and now multiply, we get 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14 and 2 6 are 12. Okay, therefore 13 lakh, sorry, 1,34,600 is the right answer. So, in order to solve such type of problem in easiest way, we shall use the properties that we have discussed in our last few videos. So, I would like to suggest those students who did not see the last video. So first of all, watch those last videos in order to understand the fact that I am using here in order to solve such questions. Okay, so when you will see the last video, then you can easily understand. So I hope that everything is clear. So student, please try to solve more and more questions at your home. If you will suffer any question, any doubt, then please mention your doubt at the comment section. I will clear in the next one. Some question I am giving you that you can see. So please try to solve this question at your home. So keep watching the video. We shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.